In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for Yahoo Mail. This process is simple and effective, allowing you to share your email address quickly with others. You will see how to set everything up step by step. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to a free, secure QR code generation website like QR Code Monkey or QR Code Generator. You can find many options on the internet, but it's important to choose one that is trustworthy and offers good security features. This step is crucial because a reliable website ensures that your data remains safe and your QR code generates correctly. Once you have accessed the site, you will see a clean interface with options to create your QR code. Next, click the correct link that directs you to the QR code generator. This might seem straightforward, but be careful to select the link that matches the service you want to use. Some websites may have multiple links or advertisements that can be confusing. Selecting the right link ensures that you are on the page where you can create your QR code without any distractions or complications. Now look at the top data format menu tabs and select email instead of the standard URL option. This choice is vital because it tells the generator that you want to create a QR code specifically for email purposes. By selecting email, you set the foundation for the information that will be encoded in the QR code. This little adjustment saves you time later by ensuring that the QR code functions properly when scanned. With the email option selected, it's time to fill out the layout configuration boxes. The first box you will encounter is for the email address. Here, type your full Yahoo email address, for example, your name at yahoo.com. Make sure to double-check your address for accuracy. This step matters because if there is an error in your email address, the QR code will not work as intended. Once you've entered your email, you can move on to the next fields. Next up is the subject field, which is optional. You can enter a default title line such as business inquiry or support request. This subject line will automatically populate when someone scans your QR code and opens their email app. Including a subject can help guide the recipient on what your email is about, making it easier for them to respond appropriately. It's a small touch, but it enhances communication. After that, you have the message field, which is also optional. Enter any default starting text that you want loaded into the body of the email. This could be a simple greeting or specific instructions. Adding a message can save time for both you and the recipient, as it gives context right away. It's a nice feature that adds a personal touch to your emails. Now click Create QR Code on the right side of the page. This action generates your unique QR code based on the information you've provided. You will see the QR code appear on the screen shortly after. This is an exciting moment because you are now one step closer to sharing your email efficiently. Finally, click Download PNG to save the custom visual file to your computer. When scanned, this QR code will automatically prompt the scanner's phone to launch their email app with your Yahoo address pre-filled. This functionality is incredibly useful for networking and sharing your contact information quickly. You have successfully created a QR code for Yahoo Mail, and now you can use it in various ways, like on business cards or flyers. Enjoy sharing your new QR code.